Hello viewers and welcome back to Cooking and DIY. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your washing machine drain pump filter. You want to first identify the location of the drain pump filter and then open the entrance cover. It is recommended that you clean this pump filter on a regular basis. There are no specialist tools required for this job. All you need to do is prep the area using an old towel. You will also need a container to collect the residual water from the machine. As you can see here, I have improvised to collect the water from the machine, avoiding the floor getting wet. Once you are happy that all the water has been drained from the machine, then you can go ahead and remove the filter. As you can see, this has not been cleaned for a while, so I'm gonna give it a good wash and scrub. I'm using an old teeth brush, wash out inside the filter, and then that should be that. Once you are happy that everything is nice and clean, then just put back things as they were before, and then the machine is ready to go. Thank you very much for watching. I do appreciate your support. Please remember to give me a like and leave a positive comment. Goodbye.